Afternoon, everybody. Peeps and peepesses. Still walking by the canal. Looks more like the Death Railway, to be honest. Either side. Even the boats have their lights on. Look at this. I was going to stop for a coffee and I saw a sign saying that there's a pub 10 minutes up. Well, I've been going half an hour now and there's still no sign of a pub, so I can get a coffee. So there we go. Now look at this, it's really eerie, really strange, totally different, not what you'd expect to see on a canal route. Really boggy back there, as you can see from my boots. It's veering, crash, crash. Right, we'll say bye for now. Say bye, Pip, bye, Pip, bye, Pip, bye, Pip.